Hi, I'm Rodney, engineer here at TextQL. Today I want to talk about a new feature we're launching called Citations. If you've ever used anything like Copilot, you've probably seen citations before, those inline markers next to a claim. At a glance, this looks very similar, but we've gone a whole lot deeper. Every answer comes with a full drill down, so you can trace it all the way back up to the originating data source. This matters when you're making real business decisions on these numbers. We built citations so users can confidently know where a number generated by Anna comes from. Let me show you in a quick demo. So I'll start by asking Anna, what are the top 10 city bike locations by traffic in New York City? As you can see here, Anna generated us a citation right here, backing the claim that Midtown and Flatiron dominate the core of the traffic. We can also click into the citation and it will bring this right-hand panel up so we can have more context as to where all our numbers are coming from. We can also expand this view and it brings up this sort of map view of which you can trace the entire lineage from the connectors to the table to the query all the way down to the answer. We can also see the exact SQL query that was ran. Additionally, we can also see the exact output of the SQL query. That's Citations, live in Anna. When a number is generated, I can trace the full lineage of where it was sourced from. If this video helps, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.